Have you ever been intrigued by the seemingly mysterious power of tarot cards? I mean, how could a simple deck of beautifully illustrated cards hold such profound insights in our lives? Well, in this video, we're going to explore the ancient art of tarot reading and uncover the secrets behind its uncanny accuracy. So get ready to challenge skepticism, explore your intuition, and unlock the hidden wisdom of the ages. It is time to demystify tarot and discover the truth about how it really works. So let's start with what tarot is not, because you've probably heard that tarot is a fortune telling tool and it's wielded by the fourth generation psychics who are flipping cards on purple crushed velvet tablecloths, right? Now, this misperception unfortunately holds so many people back from discovering the real power of tarot. I've personally been reading tarot for over 20 years now, and here's what I can tell you. Tarot is not about predictions, and you don't need special superpowers that have been passed down your lineage just to use it. Tarot is actually an incredible tool for self-reflection and insight, and it's a really well-developed system that is grounded in symbolism and psychology. So every tarot deck has 78 cards, and each card has its own unique images and meanings. And so within these 78 cards, we can find every spiritual lesson in our lives. And when you combine these cards in different spreads and readings, then their meanings really merge to create some detailed stories that really show you those exact lessons that you need to learn and master in your life to really create that future that you desire. Now, this system was established so that everyone could access these lessons and find answers to the questions that they were asking. And the reason that everyone can access them is because everybody is intuitive. We actually all have this innate wisdom buried in our subconscious mind. And the whole purpose of tarot cards is to give us a practical tool that will help tap into that wisdom. So why is tarot so powerful in revealing our innermost secrets? Well, every card is rich with symbols and imagery, and these visuals help you to bypass the conscious mind and connect directly with the subconscious. And once you're in your subconscious mind, you can start to reveal what is really influencing you and shaping your thoughts, beliefs, and your actions. And then this actually allows you to bring your inner workings into your conscious awareness so that you can then take action on it. So instead of feeling like something's off, but you've got no idea why, tarot helps to shine that light of awareness on these deeper influences so that you can then make more positive changes and really align yourself with your greatest desires. And that's what it's really about. It is about taking action that is aligned with your genuine goals so that you can manifest your true desires and your highest good. And the vibrant imagery on the cards really sparks this curiosity and introspection, which then supports you in discovering what it is that you really want to experience and who you really want to be. The cards will then give you these clues about the path that you can take to get there. And so you can read these clues in both the imagery and the traditional card meanings, as well as through those intuitive messages that you receive while you're connecting with the cards. So how does this work if you're reading tarot for other people? It's one thing to be able to tap into your own subconscious mind, but then how is it even possible to tap into someone else's innermost mind? Well, you've probably had a reading where the tarot reader was able to tell you all of this stuff about you, what you do for a living, maybe even a new relationship or a love that has recently come into your life. Maybe you've even done a reading for someone else and had all of these downloads. So, what is all of that about? Well, this is actually where it gets even more interesting. So, here's the thing, we are all linked to a collective universal wisdom. Now, when we connect with our own intuition through the tarot, we can actually tap into this universal wisdom as well. And it's in this collective wisdom that all of our stories, all of our threads, our deeper meaning is all integrated. So when you read tarot for someone else, you're actually agreeing to a co-creation, a collaboration between your intuition and theirs, and this greater good, this collective consciousness. And then the relevant information for that person's highest good starts to make its way through you and through the imagery and the story in the cards. So, at its core, tarot really is a conduit for intuitive guidance. It's bridging that gap between intuition and reality. And it gives you this next layer beneath all of the external data, people's opinions, and your own experiences of the situation. So, tarot's messages are actually most powerful when you integrate your intuition with your practical knowledge of the situation at hand. So, tarot is not just some like fun party trick that people do, for show, or a fortune telling tool. It won't give you the specific details about, when you're going to meet the love of your life, but it does give you insight into where you might be heading and what's possible. And if you remain in the current energies, where is that taking you? So, the exciting thing is that this means that tarot also shows you those potential paths and energies or behaviors that you need to cultivate so that you can change the current trajectory of your life and create a different result if that's what you desire. So, a tarot reading, and a really good tarot reading, can show you these specific positive changes that you can make now, and then the steps that you can take in this present moment so that you can manifest your true goals and dreams. Now, I don't know about you, but that is a tool I will always want in my toolbox. Now, if you'd love to learn more about how to experience the benefits of tarot and read tarot in a more modern and approachable way, I want you to know there is so much more for you to explore here at Biddy Tarot. We have literally helped millions of people around the world to develop this connection with tarot and their connection with their inner selves so that they can read tarot with confidence. And of course, we would love to help you do the same. So take the next step in your tarot journey by clicking below. All right, bye for now.
Hey, if you loved this video, then make sure you check out this next video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.